Okay, here is the second part of the introduction to Blackboard and APRO100Z. So I'm going to reopen the course outline again. We are in the course content module in the Start Here section. And I've just opened the screen up a little bit more because I realized that there were a couple of things that you weren't able to see. So I'm going to click on the course outline. So there's the course outline right there. If you want to download, you can just click on this link and it'll download into a PDF file. You can go ahead and print it off. Just because you're taking a course online does not mean that you cannot print documents that you find online and stick them into a binder or whatever. I'm all over using whatever tools you need to in order to learn the material. So if you have to print things out, go ahead and print things out. So here is the course outline again. Just read through it, print it off, do whatever you want for it. To get back to the main page in Blackboard, here is your tab up here, so just click on that. Here are your learning outcomes. Here is your course schedule. Now your course schedule, this is tentative. As I had mentioned before, this is going to be added to as we progress through the semester. So I've got 4 weeks tentatively planned, and I've indicated in here where you're going to be doing the tests and then the final exam. There's a list of assignments and assessments that need to be handed in. We'll have a look at that in a moment. And then here are your tests and exams. So you have 3 tests. The tests have 2 parts. One is an online multiple choice type test, and then the other one is a practical test that you will be handing in. And then there is a final exam, and the final exam will be done during the week of December the 11th to the 16th. That's the final exam week. And in the first couple of weeks, we'll figure out an actual date for this particular final exam that you will have to be available to complete. So this is the work in progress, the tentative course schedule, and I've just clicked back on the Blackboard post again. Here's the text that you need to purchase, and this information is in the course outline as well. Here is an evaluation summary. So this is what the course is made up of. And then this is the assessment summary. This is the same information that was in the schedule that we just looked at. So the assignments and then the tests. And course communication and navigating the course. So you want to get yourself really familiar with all of that stuff. So I'm going to go back to course content here. Okay, so that was the Start Here section that we were looking at. The next thing here is a video that I have put in, and it's how to get the student data files from the W drive. When you purchase the textbook, you also have an access code to access the student data files online through the publisher's website. The publisher's name is Paradigm. But you can also access them through our virtual desktop here at RDC. So this little video shows you exactly where to get those files. This will require you to download the VMware app on your computer, and that information is in the technical details section. So it shows you how to download that app. It's a really useful tool to have when you are working from home, because it gives you access to the desktop that you would be using if you were here at Red Deer College, with all of the software that we offer, and you actually have space to save information as well if you don't want to save it on your home computer. I use it all the time. I'm using it right now, as a matter of fact. I'm here in my office and I'm using the virtual desktop right here. I have it installed on my computers at home, so I do a lot of work at home, and it works really well. It's a really cool kind of a thing. So just scrolling down here, quick steps. This is quick steps for different different skills or tools that that you can use. So this actually, I'm just going to open up the creating, printing, and editing documents to show you what it looks like. This actually refers, all of this refers to Word 2013, but there, in my experience, there are very few basic changes to 2016. I've been using 2016 myself for a couple of years at home. There really aren't any changes at all. So these quick steps show you quick ways to open Word, open a document, close Word, close a document, print a document, etc. So they're just a quick way of accessing that kind of information. So that's the quick steps. So I'm going to go back to course content here. And how are we? We are at almost 6 minutes, so I'm going to stop this, and then we will pick this up again with the next video on how you are working through the actual material. So stay tuned.